Some New Mexico businesses are suing Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham over the state's public health order, hoping to prove that some of the fines being tied to that order are illegal. Here's News 13's Chris McKee.
The lawsuit in Curry County District Court comes from 7 different businesses, most in southeast New Mexico. Now, some of them were threatened with a $5,000 fine if they stayed open.
The governor is mixing 2 laws. She's taken the enforcement from one law and applying it to the other. Under the law that she's shutting down businesses, she really only has the opportunity to levy the equivalent of a parking ticket. She can give a misdemeanor, a fine for $100.
The New Mexico Republican Party is backing this lawsuit. At the heart of it are 2 state laws. First, the Public Health Act, or that law that the state used to temporarily shut down businesses. And the lawsuit claims that that law, the Public Health Act, allows the state to levy $100 fines per day against non-compliant businesses. Now, the other law in this is the Public Health Emergency Response Act. That is the one that the state has been using to issue fines of up to $5,000 a day against non-compliant businesses. Now, those suing claim that the law and that fine do not apply in this shutdown, that $5,000 fine. GOP Chairman Steve PEARCE says they hope a judge agrees, which would allow for restaurants and others to reopen with a more meager $100 a day fine.
So far, we have found that we are on very sound legal footing or grounds, and we'll continue to demonstrate that, I think, productively in front of fact finders.
At least 2 of the businesses in the lawsuit, Frontier Auto and Body and Soul Fitness in Lovington, declined our request for an interview about the lawsuit today. The governor's office declined as well to give any specific statement in response to this lawsuit. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Chris. Now, the highest profile plaintiff is Monroe's Restaurant here in Albuquerque. The court has not set a date for when they will hear arguments in that case.